So my name's Eben Bayer. I'm the CEO of Ecovative Design, a biomaterials company, which is located in Troy, New York. I have two messages I want to convey to you today. The first is kind of a downer. I want to talk to you about how our planet's toxic addiction to plastics is poisoning our environment and poisoning our body. The second half of the message is better because I want to tell you about solutions, particularly the solution that my company is creating to what we consider the most egregious offender to this problem, styrofoam. Finally, I want to ask you guys for help in changing the behavior we have around using and disposing of these materials. But first, I need to thank my team because I couldn't be here without them today. I'm working with one of the most passionate, incredible groups of individuals I've ever met. And like most of you here today, they want to help save the planet. They want to do this because they see a threat. They see a threat in the form of a material that most of you know. This material sometimes comes in small packages. We'll let them catch up for a second. And it sometimes comes in big piles. You guys know this material as styrofoam, though I like to refer to it as toxic white stuff. It's literally found all around you. It's found in the walls of your home. It's found in your packages. It's found in your surfboard cores and coffee cups. But you know where else it's found? It's found in our landfills, where by volume, it takes up more space than any other trash in our country. And we're running out of landfill space. It's found in our environment. It's found outside on the side of the road. It's found in your own backyard. It's even found in our oceans. You've probably heard of the Great Plastic Gyre, 2 times the size of Texas, composed of 80% plastic, which is slowly being ground up, but it's not going away. These carcinogenic compounds, things like styrene, are seeping into our environment. And because of this, it's found one other place. It's found in you. Because of all these reasons, we need to create new material solutions. And I propose these materials have 3 criteria. The first, they should come from many feedstocks. It's crazy to use a single feedstock to heat our homes, power our vehicles, and make most of the materials you see around us today. We're setting ourselves up for systemic collapse. Secondly, creating these materials should take far less energy. A single cubic foot of styrofoam has the same embodied energy of almost a gallon of gasoline. And yet we might use this for only a few weeks in packaging and then entomb it in a landfill, or worse, put it into the environment. Which is why we also need materials which fit into nature's recycling system. This system has been in place for the last 3 billion years. It works beautifully. When a tree is done using its solar collectors, like we're seeing in Camden, Maine right now, it doesn't look on the bottom of the leaf for the right number. Is there a 1 on here? No. It drops them onto the ground where they're upcycled into next year's topsoil. We're using this same technology that nature has used for thousands and thousands of years to create new feedstocks and new materials which serve as direct replacements for styrofoam. And this technology is fueled by mushrooms. It's actually fueled by a part of a mushroom you've probably never seen. Its root structure, it's mycelium. These are nature's recycler. These tenacious fibers work together to hold the surface of our Earth together while also breaking down waste products. We're using mycelium to create strong biocomposites, which serve as a direct replacement for styrofoam. To make this product, we take local feedstocks, things from all around the world, so you can make it locally. Cotton gin trash, buckwheat hulls, or even hazelnut husks. We then use growing mycelium indoors in the dark over a 5-day period in a process that doesn't require any petroleum, electricity, or heat. To convert these waste products, essentially glue them together into a strong biocomposite, like you see here. This product has the same thermal and physical properties as styrofoam, and we're launching this as EcoCradle. This can replace the styrofoam that comes around your television, your toaster, or even your TV with a material that's 100% compostable in your own garden. Best of yet, for each unit of this material we create, we release 10 times less CO2 than the same volume of styrofoam and use 8 times less energy. But, and I have to cut you off because I don't have much time. For material solutions like this to catch on, I need your help. I really need your help. What I need your help doing is aggregating a moment I think we've all felt. You might have felt this moment when you got a box in the mail and you opened it up and there was a big styrofoam block inside of it and you went, oh, I hate this stuff. Or maybe you were walking along the side of the road and you looked into the ditch and you said, oh, is that more of that toxic white stuff? That was here last year. I hate seeing this. But this moment passes, which is okay. What I want to do is I want to aggregate these together. Whenever you see this crazy toxic white stuff in the environment, I want you to take a picture on your camera phone or your computer and send it to stop@toxicwhitestuff.com. My goal is to aggregate all these short moments where people have a flash where they realize we're doing something crazy to the environment and aggregate them together into a loud, resounding global no, which will provide the impetus for solutions like this and the hundreds of other solutions we need to replace the thousands of plastics in our environment today. With your help, we can help cure our planet's toxic addiction to plastics and foams, make our environment a much healthier and safer place to live. Thank you.